The next thing is coughs and colds. As I'm sure you're aware, babies do get lots of coughs and colds, lots of snuffly noses, and obviously they spend a lot of time lying down, so they get quite congested. So this is helpful for relieving congestion. A little bit more on the face. Obviously the sinuses under the nose, under the eyes, can bring quite a lot of sort of pressure and pain and discomfort. So if we're able, again, just using that soft fist, just using your first finger, so there's not too much going on around the face. We want to go to the top of the nose, down the nose and out across underneath the eyes. So, may we do this? And then again on the cheeks, we're going to do raindrops. So this would sort of be, relieving the congestion. So just coming onto the chest, this is still for coughs and colds, because again, obviously they can get a little bit congested on the chest. So I'm going to place my hands over Eva's chest with my fingertips. I am pointing up towards the chin. And just very gently, we're going to trace a heart with our fingertips out across the collarbone, down to the bottom of the ribs and up the middle, as if you were doing two sides of a heart. And just like we did on the cheeks, we're going to do raindrops on the chest and do that all over the rib cage, all over the chest. And those moves can be repeated 2 or 3 times a day when baby's a bit snuffly or a bit coldy.